Let's explore a little bit about how this edge lettering was applied to early American coins, including early copper coins from 1793 to 1795. I've got a couple of resources, some more and less formal, but the long and short of it is that there was a rack and a movable die, and the coin itself was rotated through in here. And when this bar was turned, the coin would, I guess we'll go higher. There we go. So as this drive pinion pushed this sliding die this way, the coin would rotate through. Let's see if it's going this way. It's going to pull the coin like so. And you're going to have half of the edge lettering stamped into the planchet from this side and from the fixed side of the die. As far as how those dies are created, incidentally, I received a book in the mail today that I was wanting to check out that my buddy David recommended. And this is Numismatic Forgery by Charles Larson. And just incidentally, as I was pulling up to work, I opened up this book after I pulled it out of the mailbox, and I saw how it is that they create those edge letter dies. So there's going to be a hub that has your lettering punched in. So incuse means it's below the surface. And then that hub is going to be pressed and rolled along the finishing die strip, and that is going to create letters in relief or raised. So your die has raised lettering, and then when you roll your planchet across, it's going to imprint the words onto the edge of the planchet, which is then struck into a coin. Here is an example of what that machine might look like. And you can see that there is, I assume you're putting your fixed die here, and that as you crank on your handle there, or maybe the fixed die is here, there it is, you're going to have that planchet rolled across that fixed die, applying the edge lettering. So just something that I thought I would share for the good of the order. I've always kind of been curious about how that edge lettering is applied, and also very, simple kind of technology that oftentimes didn't function properly. So sometimes you'll get some blundered edge lettering like we see on this particular coin, where it's slipped, one and then one again. 100 for A, and it started punching the D there, and then dollar. On the US coins, as we saw on that first sheet, it looks like it was applying half of the edge lettering from the sliding die and half from the fixed die. So I think that's why we're seeing the doubling the way that we are in two different locations on this particular coin. One and then one started over again, A, and then A started over again. So that's just a little down and dirty overview of how it is that edge lettering dies were created and deployed to create the edge lettering on the planchets of 1793 to 95 large cents. Thanks for checking in. If you enjoy this content, please do like and subscribe. I appreciate your support. See you next time.